Hi guys, I'm out collecting stuff in my garden for a super easy outdoor Easter activity. I found my old Christmas tree over in the corner here and I've taken some bits off that as well. See if we can use that. The only things you'll need for this project is some just plain flour to make your dough out of, and then some PVA glue to stick the decorations on. So earlier I made a basic dough just with this flour and some water, which is here, and that's what I'm going to make the bases out of, and then I'm just going to simply use the glue to stick the nature things on. Let's get going. So these are the things I've just collected by having a walk around my garden. There's lots of different colours and textures, and it'd be interesting to see how they look on the Easter eggs. This is a really cool activity for kids and adults actually, to kind of become aware what's around your garden, what different textures there are, and what's around that you can actually use. And if you have a look around, it's surprising how many things you can use. I think this would also work really well for like having some friends round, or even a kids party where you could go around the garden first and collect the things, and then all the kids could decorate their own egg. And it doesn't have to be Easter eggs, it could be anything. It could be unicorns. Love unicorns. So I finished the first one here. Really pretty. I'm quite pleased with it. Have a look. Just gonna put it there. That was actually really good fun. Let's do another one. So the video just cut out on that last one, but here's the finished result on that one. I think that's my very favourite one, and it's really fun because you can see all the little flower petals in there. I just love them. So here are the eggs, the finished ones, and it was so fun to do, literally. My son wasn't here, but he would have loved this activity. And all you needed for this is just some flour and water, and then just explore your garden, see what you can find. And that was one of the most fun bits of it. I didn't know I had all this stuff in my garden. So happy Easter everyone. I hope you have a really great time, and maybe one day if you're out and about in your garden, you might want to pick up some plants and make some beautiful eggs. See you guys later.